Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Vertebrates all produce the hormone prolactin, but it does totally different things in fish, birds, and mammals. Let's quickly figure out why this shared trait exists today. First, notice that every single vertebrate species mentioned produces this specific hormone. When a complex biological molecule appears across diverse groups, it usually points toward a shared evolutionary history instead. Next, we see that while the hormone is the same, its functions vary from milk production to osmoregulation. This pattern defines homology, or a common origin adapts for different uses. Finally, we can rule out convergent evolution because that would imply the hormone appeared independently multiple times. Since it is universal in vertebrates, option B is the most logical choice. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the rush and watch signs of common ancestry.